Hello, my name is Kelsey and I'm with the Conga document generation team. Today I'm going to walk you through how to conditionally hide tables within your template, and I am going to use this template as an example. Instead of having an offer code for free shipping, we're moving to sales prices for larger orders. So whenever the opportunity amount is over 15,000, I want this table to show, which you see has sales price. And if it's less than that, I want this table to show, which is just the normal list price. To insert an if statement, I just go to search here, and you can search for insert a field. I do this often enough that it's the first action that shows up, as you can see. So I insert a field, scroll down to if, and hit OK. So when it comes to if statements, let me talk through the logic of this first. Basically, if the field is greater than, less than, equal to, etc., this value, show the information in between these quotes, else show the information in between these quotes. Okay, so it's going to be structured very similarly to this, only instead of the verbiage, we're actually going to insert the tables. So I'm still using the opportunity amount, so I will snag that and put it directly into here. Now, one thing I want you to keep in mind, as you can see, it did insert a space, so I want just the field. The operator that we are going to be using in this case is greater than, and the value is 15,000. When I'm first putting together an if statement, I actually like to type in show this, else this, so I can make sure that I am putting my data in the correct spot. So whenever it is greater than 15,000, I want to show this sales price one versus the normal price. So I'm going to copy this table and put it in the show this section. Else I want it to show this table. So again, I'm going to copy it, highlight else this, and paste it. So now I know that this table is in between two quotes, and this table is also between those two quotes. I know that when the opportunity amount is greater than 15,000, it will show the sales price. If it's less than that, it will show this. There are two important things to keep in mind with table hides. They do not work with null values, so if you do need to hide based on whether a field is empty or not, please use an if statement. And it has to be within the first cell of a table, so very first row, very first column. The syntax for a table hide is two open curly brackets, table hide, colon, your data source, colon, field, colon, operator, colon, value, two curly close brackets. Basically, it's saying, look at this field from this data source, and I want you to hide it based on whether it is less than, equal to, greater than this value I'm specifying. With that syntax in mind, we are going to set master as our data source because it is coming from the master object. It's not coming from a query or a report. Otherwise, I would use the table alias for that. We will continue to use the opportunity amount as our field because that is where the data is being held. And then we will update our operator, which will be greater than in this case for this particular table. And then our value is 15,000. So again, if opportunity amount from master object is greater than 15,000, I want you to hide this table. We are then going to copy and paste this table hide and put it into our blue header table because I want this table to hide if it is less than 15,000. So we just need to update the operator to less than. So this is my solution. It's a pretty simple one. I'm not actually going to email it. And this is my button name. So we're going to go ahead and click the button. Upload a local template. And I'm going to hit preview because when I preview, it won't actually do the merge and email. Now this is for the starter package restock, which is our one that is over 15,000. So I'm expecting to see two tables with blue headers. All right, perfect. I see two blue header tables. This first one is from my if statement. This second one is from my table hides. All right, let's go ahead and test this one, which is our less than 15K. And perfect. I have this header, which is the two orange ones and is exactly what we were looking for because again, it's only got 11,000 for this one. So those are the two ways that we can conditionally hide tables. Be sure to check out the links below because I will include the documentation for if statements, table hide, and conditional table hide.